Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide offensive comments on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Reading through the comments on an Instagram post might be funny at times, but there are instances when you may want to hide some of the unpleasant comments, which you are not comfortable about. Instagram has features which enables us to hide offensive comments. So without further ado, let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on the settings. On settings page, tap privacy. Tap on hidden words. Slide the bar to right of hide comments. So, this is how you can hide offensive comments on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.